Hey, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on my video. On this video I'll be talking on how to get authenticated on Audiomack. If you are new here on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks for doing that. Now let's get into the video. We'll be using the Chrome app. Chrome. The app is launching. Okay, log on to Audiomack's website, audiomack.com. Okay, now you sign in. Well, I'm signed in already. You sign in. If you haven't signed in, you have to sign in first. Okay, what you will do next? Okay, before we go ahead, make sure you click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Okay, let's continue with the video. You can see there's a drop down over here beside your name. You click on the drop down and the next thing you click on is the creator dashboard. Okay, it's loading. It has come up. Now you see if the first thing to bring at the top is, are you a creator? Authenticate your account now to distinguish yourself as a creator and access exclusive tools and services. What you to do next is click on apply now to apply as a creator. Okay, welcome to Audiomack creators. Once you become a creator, Audiomack will allow you to distinguish yourself as a creator with a tick at the front of your name, like this one I just showed here now. So make you instantly notify fans when you release content. You can submit your content for trending consideration. You can check the video out on how to submit your content for trending consideration. I've done a video on that. Get recommended in our algorithms, and you can also gain access to our creator services. All these are things you have access to when you become a creator. Now what to do next is apply for authentication. Okay, sorry, Claim Music, you don't meet the requirement to apply for authentication. I didn't mention earlier, I didn't use my normal account because my account, either an authenticated creator, my real Audiomack account. So I have to use this tutorial one just to show you guys on how to do it. So before you become an authenticated creator, you must have at least 2 uploads and 25 followers. But currently here I have 1 upload and 4 followers, so I didn't meet the threshold to become an authenticated creator on Audiomack. So once you have these 2 uploads and 25 followers, what you have to do next is to just click on the apply, and Audiomack will notify you through email once you are considered as an authenticated creator. Hope you get what I just said over there. As you can see, mine, I have only 1 upload and 4 followers. If you think you reach the threshold, like you have the 2 uploads and 25 followers already and you are not yet authenticated, just make sure you do it the right way. Go over it and over and watch the way I did this now. Go over it over and over so you can become an authenticated creator. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a like and click on the red subscribe button below if you have not done that, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thanks.